Edison for Beginners Introduction. Welcome to the course Edison for Beginners. Edison is a small robot that is great for beginners to get familiar with robotics and programming. With the help of Edison's demo programs and the graphical programming interface of EdBlocks, you can already start with Edison in kindergarten and develop further as you pick up new math knowledge from school. Build fascinating devices from Edison and LEGO bricks, control it with a TV remote or clapping, to line-following races or even a sumo battle. Flash lights, write music, avoid obstacles, or make Edisons communicate with each other. The knowledge acquired from the videos is reinforced with the help of worksheets. Teachers can be assisted by the lesson plans developed by the manufacturer. The course is divided in 3 parts. We start by experimenting with Edison's inputs, outputs, and other options with the aid of demo programs. We continue by creating interesting programming tasks for Edison with the help of the EdBlocks programming language, and then with concluding what we have learned and game ideas. See you at the course!